Hi, I'm Rebecca, one of the 30 interns here at MISO. So I bet you're wondering, what do MISO interns do? And I'm here to answer that for you. But first, let's talk a little bit about what MISO does. MISO is responsible for keeping electricity flowing for 45 million people. MISO operates a power grid, manages billion-dollar electricity markets, and plans the grid of the future. So let's go talk to some of my friends to see what MISO interns really do.
At MISO, interns do real work impacting the business. I spend my days evaluating data analytic tools available to our team and expanding statistical models into new visualizations.
Let's go talk to Zach.
I'm a finance major, so you know I love numbers. That's why I'm on the audit team. Every day, I work with my team to make sure MISO is staying in line with business processes and aligning with auditing procedures from top to bottom.
Let's take a trip to the operations building and see what's going on over there.
On the advanced analytics team, I currently work on model optimization. So this is a machine learning model that helps us understand how risky tomorrow is going to be to help our risk assessments team. Some of the tools I use are Azure, Azure Synapse, and Python, a lot of Python.
Finally, let's hear from Seth in system operations. He's in his second internship with MISO.
After 2 summers at MISO, I can tell you that being an intern here isn't about running errands and taking notes. This summer, I'm using adult learning theory to develop and facilitate trainings for our operators.
At MISO, interns are treated like employees. Plus, we get to do some really cool stuff. As part of the external affairs team, I'm responsible for writing blogs, researching and coming up with ways to develop MISO's search engine optimization, and I also partner with HR to develop targeted intern content. What am I most proud of from my experience here? It's knowing that the work that I do, the work that all the interns do, matters. So if you're interested in a real-world, high-tech business experience, apply to be an intern here. You won't be disappointed.